Okay, here we have another fresh arrival, Victory Honda of Plymouth, 2024 Honda Civic Sport 4-door sedan. Only 23,000 miles on it. That's right, 24 with 23,000 miles. It's black in color, black interior, black wheels. The Sport is really nice. You get a lot of cool features. It gives you that, the sporty look, the sporty feel. It drives nice. It looks great. Economical. With today's gas prices, this thing gets 40 miles to the gallon. It's an amazing vehicle, going to last a long time. Honda certified. They're going to go through the 182-point inspection. Check it out, top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Brakes, fluids, filters, tires, you name it. We make sure everything is up to Honda specification. That way you can choose to back it with that 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, all the features that come with the Honda certified program. It is the best in the business when it comes to non-luxury certified programs. Check it out today, Victory Honda of Plymouth. You won't be disappointed. This one is going to be professionally detailed inside and out, but as you can see, it's already pretty clean. Smells good, looks good. Carfax is good. You got the books, the keys, the history, all the stuff. Let me jump inside to show you. 23,108 miles. It's a one-owner, clean Carfax car. All the right stuff. It's black. It's beautiful. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. We look forward to helping you out today. This one will not last long. Pre-owned Honda Civic, certifiable, with low miles. They go quick. We look forward to helping you soon. Thanks.